Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with good rusks and immediate action. Trim any mold or overly soft areas, then cut into 1 to 2 centimeter pieces so they dry evenly. Once the oven is at 120 to 140 degrees Celsius, spread pieces in a single layer on a baking sheet. Make sure to leave space for air. You want to drive out remaining moisture without toasting too dark, because the goal is crisp. Dry rusks that will grind. Once the rusks are crisp, cool them completely on a rack so trapped steam dissipates. Otherwise, you'll get clumping during grinding. You then pulse in short bursts using a food processor or blender, checking texture between pulses so you can achieve coarse, medium, or fine crumbs. Make sure to pause and tap the bowl to break lumps, and if you need uniformity, pass the crumbs through a sieve and reprocess any large pieces that remain. You finish by letting the freshly ground crumbs rest briefly on a tray to equalize moisture, then funnel them into airtight containers. Glass jars or sealed bags work well. Once stored, use within weeks at room temperature or freeze for months. If you find the crumbs clump, feel damp, or smell off, re-dry them at low heat for 10 to 15 minutes and cool completely before repacking. That re-dry step fixes residual moisture and prevents spoilage, so make sure to do it if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.